important event of the world, broadcasters were fighting with the cable operators. I was very firm, we lost power. The government delayed, but today when I see the results, that 42 cities cables have become digital. And we have 30 million set-top boxes being installed. I remember I asked a question, is set-top box Hindustan mein kyun nahi banta hai? Why? It is not manufactured in India. And then we realized there are certain policy issues. I brought set-top box under the telecom network. They become entitled to all the benefits and got my Ministry of IT to fund promotion of Indian conditional access, which has now become available. And therefore, this is further going to fuel this whole digitization and availability of interoperable conditional access to further boost digitization. But ladies and gentlemen, I never knew how India is scaling new heights in the field of IT till I became a minister myself. Uday was just talking about cow dung being sold on e-commerce platforms. E-commerce, and I would like to cite now we have 1 billion mobile
speech. It's not a speech, it's an inspiration. I think we should change. It's no longer change or perish. We will not perish if we change. Let's change. All of us need to get together, and the digital world will make that change possible. And with a minister like Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, we know he is not only with us, he is ahead of us. He is predicting what we need, and whenever we go to him, he is going to give us even more. And finally, a lot has been said. We have great champions here of industry, and they're going to do everything as well. So I would like to just thank all the wonderful people who have come here, all of you delegates, and I say, let's change, let's move.
I request the panel to step forward. Give us a photo before you step down, please. Ladies and gentlemen, our inauguration session, Wiki Frames 2016, is officially underway. Moving on to our next session, ladies and gentlemen, Keynote 1. I request the media to help us move on with the sessions in time. Ladies and gentlemen, Keynote 1, J.D. Parrott, President, Discovery Networks International, in conversation with Vanita Kohli-Khandekar, columnist, Business Standard and Midday. I assure you that's a very modest way of introducing Vanita. Vanita, are you ready? Are you all mic'd up and ready? I'm going to call you upon.
That is actually because film is about teamwork, so everybody has a particular work profile and everybody comes with a certain kind of expertise. My work is in front of the camera. So I work with people I trust, जो अपने काम में माहिर हैं, अपने काम में genius हैं. And when you do that, then you know that every side of filmmaking is being taken care of. But I think that the creativity has to be 200%, and then that is how then that film can reach where it needs to reach, because then it can be backed up by a good business mind as well. But it's a combination of the two. You can't take one thing away from the other.
रिलीज के बाद आप उसके बिजनेस पॉइंट्स पे कुछ नज़र डालते हैं बॉक्स ऑफिस ये सब ये आपका
ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि अगर हम फिल्म बना लें और कोई देखे ना, उसका कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. You want a film to go out and be seen by everybody. आप चाहते हैं कि वो सबके दिलों को छू जाए. दैट कैन ओनली हैपन when the business model is correct of that film, कि वो सब तक पहुँचे, वो everybody profits from that film. And for us, हमारी प्रॉफिट ये है कि आपके दिलों को छू जाए. तो हमारी प्रॉफिट अलग है, एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस की प्रॉफिट अलग है, एक डायरेक्टर की प्रॉफिट अलग. एवरीबडी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट सेंस ऑफ व्हाट इज अ प्रॉफिट. फॉर मी एज एन आर्टिस्ट, माई प्रॉफिट इज दैट यू लव मी एंड माई फिल्म एंड माई कैरेक्टर रीचेज आउट यू एंड यू टेक मी होम विथ यू इन योर हार्ट. सो दैट इज माई प्रॉफिट.
would like to know about this event from your own view.
Well, I was really actually happy to be a part of Vicky Frames. More because हम जो creatively सोचते हैं, जो artists होते हैं, हम थोड़ी अपनी दुनिया में होते हैं. We are very very busy, sort of being free, being open, being sort of creating. But जो structure हमें वो freedom देता है, that is the business side of it. These are the people who are policy makers, the people who are entrepreneurs, who create also business models so that we can function even more creatively. So to hear them speak actually was a huge privilege for me and very interesting for me. And I myself am part of the generation that has grown up with this whole digital thing, and we've all seen the change happening. And I feel that it is so true. And if our policy makers give us that platform to grow, then there is no stopping this country from reaching wherever we want to reach, and to really actually realize our dreams and to be that, that power that we want to be in every field.
डेवलपमेंट की बात हो रही है, डिजिटल इंडिया की बात हो रही है. आपको लगता है कि सिर्फ डिजिटल इंडिया होने से ही देश का निर्माण अच्छा होगा, कुछ और बाकी चीज़ें जो रहेंगी?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, but the digital world is one way to connect the whole world, and it is a very very important world, and we cannot, हम लोग उसे ignore नहीं कर सकते हैं, because that is actually the way forward, the way that the digital world is growing. Also because the digital medium is about communication, and with communication, चाहे आपके और मेरे बीच में हो, चाहे मेरे और किसी और country के बीच में हो, चाहे दो countries के बीच में हो, communication is actually what makes anything grow by leaps and bounds. And I think the digital medium is doing that. Of course, there are many other things like education, etc., but all of them are connected to the digital world. Everything is actually connected to the digital world, and it's true that today I find as an actor, the words connect with people at an intellectual level, but when you put out a picture, or when you put out a video, or when you just put out, you're actually putting yourself out there, and you are connecting with people's hearts. And I think that is how the digital world really helps us. They see us and our hearts, and I think that is so for everybody who is on the digital platform in whatever way.
फिर भी डिजिटल वर्ल्ड के अलावा कुछ और जो चीज़ें जिन पर आपका ध्यान जाता हो कि इनमें भी सुधार होना चाहिए, क्या क्या रही हैं वो, क्या क्या होना चाहिए?
Oh my God, a lot. I think for anybody to prosper, anybody to do well, anybody to, you have to keep changing what your target is, and you have to keep learning, and you have to keep growing. That is what progress is. And the most relevant people, the most successful people do keep changing with the times. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. For me, one of the foremost things is of course education and women in this country. Those are the two things that I feel very strongly about, and of course animals. But education and women, I would say, I feel very very strongly about in this country, and there has to be a lot more progress in both those departments.
ओके, देखिए मोस्ट ऑफ द इवेंट्स में आपसे इनअप्रोप्रिएट क्वेश्चंस पूछ लिए जाते हैं, मैंने से कुछ भी पूछा
तो आप मत पूछिए ना
मैं
प्लीज़.
नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. तो आप इंटरनली कैसा फील करते हैं, फिर कैसे मैनेज कर पाते हैं? क्योंकि
मुझे हमेशा लगता है जो चीज़ें एक्चुअली इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं होती हैं वो कभी कभी आप ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट बना देते हैं. ऑल्सो आई मीन दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक अबाउट इट. कभी कभी इट्स अ नॉन इशू, बट बात कर करके बिकम्स एन इशू, एंड इन आवर माइंड्स इट्स नथिंग. वी जस्ट इट्स इन थ्रू वन ईयर आउट थ्रू द अदर.
तो डोंट यू थिंक क्योंकि आपकी इतनी फिल्में हैं, लोग आपको इतना चाहते हैं, प्यार करते हैं, थोड़ी आपकी फीलिंग्स जो आपके सीक्रेट्स हैं इनसे शेयर हो, तो फिर वो पूछे ही ना जाए?
हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें शेयर करते हैं, और जो उनको that is the power of the digital world, that we are connected with our fans every single day, literally every single hour. So what they want from us, we give them. What you want from us is very different.
आपके आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स वजीर के बाद?
There is Sudhir sir's film, which is coming next. And I'm really excited about that because I started my work career with him, and वो एक आपको बहुत challenge करते हैं. So I'm really looking forward to that. I hope everybody else is also looking forward to that. So I'll let you know when it's happening. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Aditi.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.